We are like a big geodesy company, surveying company, and I work in the building measuring field. So we mainly do 2D floor plans, drawings, also laser scanning, and 3D models. And like we were looking for equipment to do it more fast, and so that's how we found NavVis. We had like a big contract for like a lot of square meters 2D floor plans. So we started using NavVis for that, and we found out that time-wise it's so effective and fast. So we started using it on other projects. And now we are actually upgrading our software because we have so many clients interested in the data. NavVis Ivian, the main benefit is that the interface is so simple and great, and it's easy for us to use, for our like drafters who are doing the floor plans. They can use it, and also to the client, because they can even before we finish the floor plans, the client can already see what we have measured and use it and take measurements from there if he needs.